Hey guys, I'm Tony Schmotherman. I go by Traveling Hunter, and I get that name honestly for the sheer fact, every fall I like to spend a lot of my time in the western mountains. And when you go out there, it is tough country and it's long distance hunting. So a great pair of binoculars is very important. A good Bushnell scope on your gun is very important. But the most important tool you can have is a great spotting scope. And I always use the Bushnell Elite 20-60-80. And when I say 20-60-80, I mean 20 to 60 variable magnification and 80mm objective lens. And a tool like this will keep you from walking across a canyon and going after a bull that's too small. This guy right here will bring a bull that's 2 miles away right up into your eyes. So when you head across the country to the mountains, make sure in your pack is a Bushnell Elite spotting scope.